Okay, so word of today is remark. So we can use remark in two different ways, remark in a noun version or remark in a verb version. So let's talk about remark in a verb version. So the meaning of it in a verb version is to give a spoken statement of an opinion or thought. Let's look at the example. You can simply use remark in a verb position like this. Somebody remarked that someone was doing something or someone did something. In example structure like this, he remarked that she was looking thin. So we use remarked in verb position like that. If we want to use remark in a noun position, we can use like this, and its meaning is something that you say when you give your opinion about something or stating a fact. So we have to take note of the preposition that comes after remark. So let's look at the first example. Her remarks on the employment question led to a heated discussion. So we use on the employment question. Her remarks on the employment questions. Let's take a look at the second example. The children made rude remarks about the old man. So we don't use do remark, we use make remarks. The children made rude remarks about the old man. Not on the old man, we use about the old man.